Here you look what I have connected. This is my battery. I'm using it for testing purpose. This is the connection of the battery. I've connected the red wire to red wire and the black one to black. And this is the display which you can see. I have connected the jack to the controller jack, which is the color shown here. You have to follow the red color follows to the pink one, and the orange one follow to the blue one, and the black to the black. Also there are green and yellow which will connect it to the blue and the yellow one. You have to match in this following way. The display connection is like that, and after that I have connected the throttle. This is the throttle and this is the thumb throttle which is connected here. This is inside this packet. This is thumb throttle. You can see this is thumb throttle one. After connected its jack to the throttle one, which is like that. The green, red and black. Green one will follow to the green one, middle one is red which will go to the red connection, and the black one is the black. Directly like that. The color should match properly. If you connect the different colors like red and green are alternated, then it will not work properly. Also here I have not connected the brake wire. I am using it for testing purpose, so that I have not connected the brake. This is the light. The light wire is here. The light wire is connected to the red jack which is written light, and also another red jack which is to the switch. Here I can see I'm pressing the switch and light and horn is working properly. Now here's the motor connection. You can see I have connected the red jack follows to the red, white one is following to the white, and black one is following to the black. Same to same in the opposite side. The blue one is connected to the blue, green one is in connected to the green, and the yellow one is connected to the yellow. And here's the same. The thicker wire also follows to the same colors. Now we will see how the motor rotates. Now this is the modes. It is in the fourth mode, pedal assist mode. We can change the modes through this up and down mode. So if I set it to the PAS5 mode, the motor will rotate followingly. You can see the motor is rotating. Now here are the display functions. We can change it through these buttons, holding it. And now we are at the P1 option. We can change the P means program. We can change the program menu, different options. Now using M, I have went to P2, like P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12, P13, P14, P15, P16, P17. This one is the last one, P17. And now again it comes to the P1. These are the all options which you get the new display. You can change it through these buttons like plus and minus. So I will share the uh, details manual in the description of this video. You can follow this to adjust your own details. So these are all the connections. So now we are ending the video. You can follow this video to manually operate your display and use your ride happily. Thank you.